I just wanted to show you something. This is how I used to draw. I don't know why. Balloon Boy's the only one that looks normal. See, it looks weird. Like I don't know why. It looks really weird. They look so weird, but this is how I draw. Now, get out of the way. I really like it. It's a Golden Freddy, and he looks so cute. And this says save them. And that says save them too, and that was just a coincidence. Yeah, Mangle's awesome. My touching here. Foxy, which I don't feel like coloring. Twitcheka. Springtrap. Golden Freddy. Pop-It. This. Some odd looking people with baby. I shipped them to all the and I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to show you some pictures from in here from all over. That's also my Springtrap, I guess. Actually, he looks fine, to be honest. And that's like random Bonnie. Basics messed up. Wow. I sucked back then.